Marcy.
Do you see your ears?
Look at YouTube.
Now
Marcy.
that was weird.
What's up, crowd? What's going on? As for me, I am holding a beautiful baby, Jeremiah. Yes. How old is he right now?
He's going to be 4 weeks tomorrow.
4 weeks tomorrow. That's Jill right there. Number 5, Ravens. Yeah. Anyway, I'm holding him and he's so adorable. Yes, Jeremiah the prophet. He already started fasting and praying. It's awesome. Hey.
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah, and Joel. Joel's a prophet too. Hey, baby. Hey. How are you?
Oh my gosh.
That's a daddy right there. Say hi, daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
I knew he was gonna say that.
Hey. Say, what up, YouTube? Oh, he's already falling asleep. And the girl's over there. Why'd you move, mommy? The one in the middle is the mommy.
Don't
They're
point
all
at me.
I'm trying to show the outfit. There it goes. Aww.
Oh, I heard about that.
Yo, he grabbed the camera. He wants to vlog.
I feel bad. Like, I want to treat him like he's a really terrible person, but he does weird me out.
He's really loud too.
I know that.
I don't get too frustrated.
Hey, hey.
But
They're not there.
that's my mom's stepmom.
Oh, look at that yawn. Hmm. Did you guys yawn? Yeah. Contagious, contagious.
I don't know, but have her like your pink pants. I know they're yours
Sleeping
because
baby.
they're like this big.
Free pants for my birthday. They're crazy. Yeah. They're like kind of longer. Oh. She's gonna knock her head.
So which parents know? So which parents know? You don't know?
Probably pictures.
Shut. He's fine. He's a baby.
I see. Come on, lick the camera. Lick the camera.
Oh, you
Not my shoe. Lick my shoe. Ew. She licked my shoe. Look, cute feet. Little socks.
Not really like an introvert.
The dog wants to play with the baby. It's doggy love, people.
Puppy love.
Puppy love.
For the 20 minutes of the sleep. The other time we're eating ice cream or watching TV except that we can't.
Oh, high five! Sit. High five! High five! High five!
Well, if you're doing normal activity,
Sit. Oh, that was an ugly face.
treat.
Yeah.
Marcy,
Do you see your ears?
look at YouTube.
Now
Marcy.
that was weird.
Ready?
That was funny.
Marcy.
Here, wait.
Sit.
Let her.
Sit. Sit. She's too excited.
So look, I am sitting multiple times. Throw it over here.
She'll catch it.
Throw it over
Ready?
here.
Watch.
I meant
Oh,
over here. To me.
Oh, there's another piece.
I was gonna say she's gonna catch it. Cassie said. Tim.
Okay, Cassie wants to give it to you, so go see Cassie.
Oh, smack me in the face.
She's like, how do I get over here?
Oh. So I was worrying
What are you
about
doing
it.
there?
Carving my apple.
Because it's fresh apple emotion. So she's giving the apple an
This is
emotion.
hard to scoop.
Well, while you're doing that, let me get some tea. Sorry.
Very weird.
It's so hard to scoop.
What are you doing? Getting
Trying
some
to
ice
scoop
cream?
some ice cream.
The finished product. Happy and sad. Beautiful. Beautiful. Are you happy or sad?
Don't show this. This is embarrassing. I'm getting married soon. This can't be happening. What's up, crowd? What's going on? As for me, us. We're here with Cassie, Shane, and Jeremiah.